Ylang Ylang essential oil is a natural way to nourish and transform your hair. Whether you want to boost hair growth, hydrate dry strands, or tackle scalp issues, this oil has you covered. Promotes hair growth. If you're looking to boost hair growth, Ylang Ylang oil is your go-to. It improves blood circulation to the scalp, which stimulates hair follicles and encourages healthy growth. Hydrates hair. Ylang Ylang oil is deeply moisturizing, making it perfect for dry and brittle hair. It helps lock in moisture and restore your hair's natural shine and softness. Reduces hair breakage. Ylang Ylang strengthens hair strands, reducing damage over time. It's especially effective when combined with a nourishing carrier oil like baobab or argan oil. Improves scalp health. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties, Ylang Ylang oil can help with dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp irritations. A healthier scalp means stronger, more resilient hair. Balances sebum production. Whether your scalp is too oily or too dry, Ylang Ylang oil can help regulate sebum production. A balanced scalp means healthier, more manageable hair. How to use Ylang Ylang oil for hair. Scalp massage. Mix a few drops of Ylang Ylang oil with a carrier oil like wheat germ or jojoba oil. Massage it into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave overnight to support hair growth and for deep nourishment. Hydrating hair mask. Add a few drops of Ylang Ylang essential oil to your favorite hair mask for extra hydration and shine. Conditioner boost. Mix a couple of drops with your conditioner to enhance its moisturizing and hydration effects. Combine fenugreek and hibiscus-infused water and a few drops of Ylang Ylang oil. Use as a daily hydration hair mist. Tips and precautions. Always dilute Ylang Ylang oil with a carrier oil to avoid irritation. Do a patch test before using it on your scalp. Use Ylang Ylang oil sparingly, as the strong fragrance can be overpowering.